You want to see a snowstorm? You're going to see a snowstorm. Look at there, look at there, look at there. Are we having fun yet? We got our sidewalk shoveled. That's about it. Now hold on, because I'm going to show you out back, too. Look at this mess. Look at this. Oh, now you get to see the house. Hold on, the messy house. Hold on, now you can see out back. This is how much we've gotten today. This baby was clear yesterday. See it? Isn't this fun? And it's still coming down. How about it? And there's Padonia Road down there. You can barely see it. A car might go by. I hear something. Crazy people out there. Maybe not. Thank goodness. Anyway, how about that?